Hey guys, welcome back to DroidCrunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to see how we can do keyframe animation in Capcut. So I have downloaded this image from FreePic and this car image as well. So let's import this image on a timeline, just drag and drop. And this is a high quality image, and let's import this car image as well. This image is having a background, so let's remove the background using auto removal tool in Capcut, and let's resize this image and put this image on the ending point of this road. So since it is far away, so we'll keep this car image scaled pretty much down, so this looks a little blurry as well, so like this. Okay, so this is our starting point. Let's add a keyframe at this point and just go to a little bit frames away, and at 4 seconds probably, or at the last of this entire animation, add a keyframe. And now we can move our car to this place and make it scale bigger like this. Okay, or we can probably keep it here as well. Now you will see that this animation looks like this. That car is coming from there and it just goes big and comes near to you like this. And what happens is that when the car comes closer, the speed remains the constant. So what we can do at this point of time, just press Alt K, and here on the scale or any of other properties, you can just click on this animation over here, and you can make it ease. Okay, make it smooth. You can set auto curve as well. Just put this and make it like this, or just you can click on this graphs icon, and you can also choose these properties as well. These are presets of the properties or presets of the graph that you can use instantly. Maybe you want to do ease in fast, you want to smooth ease in bit more curvature. So these are all the options that you can use, and 3 ease in properties you have and 3 out properties you have to select from. And you can also make use of this graph and the handles that you get, and this also works the same. This graph gives you more precise control over the animation, and let's see how it looks. So now you can see that it is getting faster as it reaches. From here we can make it more down like this, but we need a bit fast animation, so we can also add animation on other properties as well. So here we are on the X scale. Just click on the animation, make it ease in 3. So X property is not changing, Y property is. So let's add this. Okay, it does look like this. So based on your animation, based on your setup, you can choose different type of animation smoothing in your keyframes, and this allows you to have a perfect and a reliable keyframe animation. So this was all for this video. You can do keyframe animation in various things as well. You can do them in effects as well. For example, if you choose to use a magnifier and use this kind of a magnifying effect, let's drag and drop this over here, and here you can see that in this special effect you get all these properties that you can use keyframe on. So let's add a keyframe on this horizontal option. First let's keep it maybe on the vertical, and let's keep it at the top first, and add a keyframe, move a little bit away and add, increase it vertical or decrease it, and now you can see how it looks. So this is how keyframe works, and you can use it at multiple places. This is very useful in motion graphics as well. After Effects is mostly based on keyframes, and most users do keyframing on various projects. And yeah, this is the essence of video editing. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in comments your feedback. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.